Collaboration between design and manufacturing teams is key to success, with good communication allowing you to quickly overcome problems before they become expensive. When we encounter a problem within the digital environment, we look to collaborate with other teams to quickly find a solution. Fusion Team can be used to review, comment and mark up designs, allowing manufacturers downstream to feedback information to designers on change requests required for successful manufacturing. Design modifications can then be made and sent back to the manufacturer for final digital verification and simulation before being sent to the machine for production. By using Fusion Team and Fusion 360 with FeatureCAM, you can collaborate successfully across teams, communicate effectively and feedback efficiently to maximize the profitability of your design and manufacturing processes.